What's going on, boys? Today I'm going to be showing you my little nail gun vector build that absolutely shreds. If you guys want to run it, these are the attachments. You can run whatever site you want. I run the APX5 holographic sight with the blue dot. No stock, sleight of hand, rubberized, and most importantly that 12 round magazine. I usually just throw it on single fire because I have a pretty good trigger finger, and yeah, try it out.
You ain't having fun, bro. I swear to God, bro. You ain't having fun. Promise.
Katie, you should use the
Long schlong
real for fuck's sake.
Hey, whoever's in mid building, please protect me. I'm gonna call him the prisoner. Nell said, "Do not kill them all, you bitch."
Less than a minute.
Wow.
That's the way. On to the next round.
Wow.
I think,
Defending them is critical.
oh my.
You're the last one. Watch your ass. That's it, lads. One round gone. We're not dead yet, are we, lads? Search and destroy. Assets identified. We need to keep them intact. Enemy cruise missile incoming! Enemy UAV overhead. We've got a UAV on station, ready for flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
Less than a minute. Precision airstrike available. On your mark. This round's ours. Stay sharp for the next.